Hello and welcome everyone to Tech Treatment. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and a little overview of the Samsung Gear Circle. These are some nice quality wireless headphones from Samsung that work on the Samsung Galaxy line, including the S5, S6, S7, S8, and also the Galaxy Notes. For now, I'm going to set these headphones aside and let's see what accessories are included. We have a couple booklets, a few extra headphone bands for the headphones. Here are some different size earbuds and also a Samsung charger. Both pieces themselves connect magnetically, so if you place them to the side or you're hanging them around your neck, they won't go anywhere. There's a volume control as well, shown with these 5 indicators, a button for pausing and unpausing your music, and also accepting calls. I've been using these headphones for the past few days for almost everything, and I really love the quality of the sound, especially considering the price. And a couple of the features that I love is the magnetic ability and also the touch sensitive volume controls. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and a little overview of my Samsung Gear Circle. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.